Now I'll work on joint C, and step number one is, as we always said, is to assign or assume a direction for the unknowns. I will start with CF. I will assume the direction for CF to be going away from the joint, which is tension. I will assume a direction for CD, and this will be again going away from the joint. This is tension. And step number two is we need to resolve all the forces, known and unknown forces. So we'll go ahead and resolve this force into its X component and Y component. And this is already calculated value for CE compression. I will give them their names so I'll be able to. So this is CF X, and this is CF Y. This is CEX, and this is CEY. So now we'll assess the situation. And back again, we have how many unknowns we have here. We have this is unknown, and this is unknown, and this is unknown. These are the unknowns we have so far. So by applying our sum of all forces in x direction equal to 0, and sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0, then evaluate which one to go with to be more efficient in our calculation. So if we try all forces and the x direction equal to 0, we'll have this unknown involved. This is known value to us, okay, and this is unknown, so we'll have two unknowns involved in this equation. So let's try the other avenue and see the sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0. We'll have this unknown will be involved, and this is known to us, and that's it. These are the only two values we have, so meaning that we have an equation in which we'll have only one unknown. So I'll pursue that avenue. So I'll use sum of all forces in y direction equal to 0. I will have the first force is, this is downwards, so it is minus CEY, and this force is upwards, so it is plus CFY is equal to 0. So minus CEY is equal to CE. We got the value of CE, which is equal to 26.52 multiplied by sine 45 degrees, plus CFY is CF multiplied by sine 71.56 degrees is equal to 0. So the minus 26, this will become minus 18.752 plus 0.9482 CF is equal to 0. Now we isolate CF. CF is equal to 18.752 divided by 0.948 and is equal to 19.78 kilonewton. And as you see, the answer is positive, so it means whatever direction we assume for CF is correct. So we assume a direction for CF which is going away from the joint, that is tension. So we'll mark this as a CF is equal to 19.78 tension. Now we'll move to sum of all forces in x direction equal to 0. So again, we'll have CEX, which is going towards east, positive, so plus CEX, and we have CFX is also positive, plus CFX, and we have plus CFX, and we have 30 is negative, so minus 30 kilonewton, and we have the CD, we assumed CD to be going towards east, positive, so is plus CD is equal to 0. So now CEX is equal to CE is 26.52 cosine 45 degrees plus CF we calculate CF to be 19.78, and that is cosine 71.56 degrees minus 30 kilonewton plus CD is equal to 0. So this will be equal to let's calculate these numbers now. 26.52 multiplied by cosine 45 is equal to 18.752 plus 19.78 cosine 71.56 is equal to 6.256 minus 30 plus CD is equal to 0. So if we bring everything to this side, so it becomes 752 minus 6.256 is equal to, so CD is equal to 5 kilonewton, and again it is positive. So what does that mean? It means that whatever direction we assume for CD is correct, and we assume a direction for CD that is tension. So we'll mark this as a tension. So CD is equal to 5 kilonewton tension.